Hello. Today I'm gonna talking about a plant cell. Why we're a plant is situated in a special kingdom. First, a plant cell is a eukaryotic cell. It's not a bacteria or archaea. Then a plant cell is not an animal cell because a plant cell has a cell wall and a chloroplast. Then a plant cell is not a fungi cell because a plant cell is autotrophs. Then a plant cell is not a archaea cell because a plant has differentiation tissues. Well, a plant is a special world and special kingdom. It has a chloroplast and cell wall, and its eukaryotic cell is autotrophs. Okay, if we take a cross segment of a level of plant, we see billions and billions of plant cells. All of them have their organelles. Well, what's the organelles inside the plant cell? It's maybe same the animal cell, but we have some difference between them. First, a plant cell is gonna be eukaryotic cell. Well, it has a nucleus. Also, it has a nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleus, we can find a genetic material. It's a chromosome or chromatin. Then a nucleolus. We have ribosomes. These ribosomes, maybe it's gonna be free in cytoplasm or attached to RER. If it's free in cytoplasm, it moves from cytoplasm to the nucleus. Well, another organelle, it's so important, it's called a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it's a jelly-like fluid, and all organelles flow inside them, inside the cytoplasm. Now, next organelle, it's RER, or rough endoplasm reticulum. It has the ribosomes attached to it. It's similar to SER. But SER or smooth endoplasm reticulum, it doesn't have ribosomes attached to it. Now the next organelle called a Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. A Golgi body or Golgi apparatus with SER and RER and the ribosomes, all of them work together to make a protein to the cell. The next organelle called mitochondria. It's like a lungs to the cell. It's responsible about respiration in the cell. Also, it burns sugar with oxidation to give ATP or energy to the cell. The next organelle called cell membrane. It's made up of double layer of phospholipid with a protein or sugar. It separates the inside of the cell from the outside. Then we have a cell wall. A cell wall, it's made up of a cellulose, or this polysaccharide made up of a glucose and poly of glucose. We can find cell wall in a plant cell, fungi cell, algae cell, bacteria, or archaea. And then the next organelle, it's gonna be a chloroplast. Well, this chloroplast has a chlorophyll. It's a green pigment, and it gives a plant their color. Well, a chloroplast is so important organelle. It's the first factory of the making sugar in this world. Well, it converts carbon dioxide to the sugar, or it converts the metal energy to the organic energy. Then we and animals eat a plant to give energy. Well, the chloroplast is the first factory of energy. Then vacuolus in a plant cell is going to be fewer and bigger than vacuolus in animal cell. And in a plant cell there not to be we can't find centrosome. We can find centrosome just in animal cell. That's all about organelles inside the plant cell. In the next video, I'm gonna talking about organelles. I'm gonna talking first about the cell membrane, their jobs, and the structure of it. And that's all about the plant cell. I hope that's helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.